Sports Authority of India Sports Training Centre, SAI-STC, Kumalampak, Imphal, organized Sundays on Cycle in commemoration of Kargil Vijay Divas. The cycling event, held under the theme Indian Armed Forces as part of the Fit India movement, was flagged off by 26th Sector Assam Rifles Commandant Mohammad Akbar from the front office of SAI-STC Kumalampak. The route passed through Kanglapad, Sanjentong, Hapta Kangjipung and Hatta before returning to Kumalampak. Over 100 cyclists, including several women, participated in the event. Speaking on the sidelines, Commandant Mohammad Akbar underscored the vital need to keep the body fit and healthy, stating that nothing is more valuable than good health. He further said that everyone must engage in regular exercise and physical activities such as cycling. The Assam Rifles Commandant also expressed his gratitude to the organizers for providing paramilitary personnel with an opportunity to participate in the event on Kargil Vijay Divas.
Patriotism is important. Lebak ngakpo lebak ningba amasung lebak ngakpo ki thabak tawba habasi karino afaba khanba ngamba mi singdo habadi masa healthy weba mi adu khaktana khanba ngamgadamne drug sinakiba natragna drug tai khoi laichudana lerba moi afaba ki wakhanda khapropanga moi aduna khoi ngasi ki event si maruena khoina masida khoina aina keno pinning bas slogan di karino haba matamda no to drug yes to life helaga drug ti kanba amasung khoi ki haksang si afaba lami de chalhanba ama anisibana khoi ki afaba wakhan khallaga Haksang si fanabo henba amasung faraga ekhoi lebak ki damakta khanba lebak ki fanaba tobiramba inkhal liba angang sing sisu ekhoi namasigi thi kano sida idea sida ekhoi namoi promote toba every khudi kano khudi mak steps khudi mak to moi bukai de sweki de ke habese ekhoi na tawrabo mati khoi gi lemhori ba angang hobli ba angang sing china moi na si khoi gi matau tawdurini